channel. First of all,
Happy Women's Day!
Since many years now, women have been denied various opportunities to higher education.
On this occasion, let us talk about scholarship that encourage women to study abroad.
let us begin.
Amelia Earhart Fellowship for Aeronautical Science and Engineering.
AOE National Foundation Scholarship for Engineering and Technical Sciences. APS IBM Research Internship for undergraduate women for postgraduate courses in engineering and science.
AWAM scholarships for aviation in US.
BSW Women in STEM Academic Scholarship for undergraduate and graduate degrees in STEM field.
Center for Women in Technology Scholars Program at UMBC. For the students studying in undergraduate program at University of Maryland, Baltimore County campus.
The Ford Prize for Women in STEM for first year undergraduate students in STEM discipline. So the next scholarship is Henry Lewis Foundation Claire Booth Lewis program. It's for subjects like physics, computer science, engineering and mathematics.
Beatrice, the AIAA Foundation awards a Gregory Bandler Scholarship for Women in Engineering in the United States.
L'Oreal UNESCO Women in Science Fellowship for scientific field in UK and Ireland.
Cards Against Humanity Science Ambassador Award. A full tuition scholarship is given to the students studying in science, technology, engineering or mathematics.
Medal and prize for Jocelyn Bell Burnell Scholarship for female students in UK who wishes to study in physics. West Fund awards minor bursaries to women pursuing STEM related education in Sheffield, UK.
Scholarship for Women Transportation Seminar for undergraduate and graduate courses, women seeking career in transportations.
Amazon Women in Innovation Bursary for women coming from low-income families to study a degree at high-tech innovation such as electronic engineering or robotics in the universities like University of Cambridge, King's College London or University of Edinburgh in the United Kingdom.
Emma Fadden Anne Marie Scholarship for Women in Technology is for undergraduate student who wishes to study at Durham University in UK.
Booking.com scholarships for women in technology. So there are 15 full scholarships for masters in University of Oxford at UK and the Delft University of Technology in Netherlands.
Palantir Scholarship for Women in Technology pursuing degree in STEM field.
Computer and Video Game Scholarship from ESA Foundation to study computer and video game arts in the United States. Zonta International Scholarship offers 2 scholarship programs to advance women's right, well-being and professional position around the world.
Women Techmaker Scholarship Program for minority women studying in technology and science.
The Asian Women in Business Scholarship awarded to the outstanding Asian woman US citizenship who displays leadership, entrepreneurship and a solid academic record.
Scholarship from the Laurels Fund is for women seeking a PhD in accounting.
Women in the Trade Scholarship. $1,500 scholarship is given to the students who are studying in authorized trade and technical school in the United States and Canada.
PEO Star Scholarship and PEO Scholar Awards give scholarship for bachelor's and PhD degrees respectively.
Scholarships from the Association for Women in Mathematics for pre-university students and undergrad, postgrad and researchers in US.
The fellowships in USA are like International Fellowship by the American Association of University Women and the Selected Professions Fellowship for the master's degree in architecture, computer science, engineering or mathematics.
So that was it for Scholarship for Women. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more doubt, please comment down below. Thank you.